everyone, Chef Patty here with AvMed Health, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite lunches or snack, and it's my mushroom toast. So before you start thinking, oh, that's just mushrooms and bread, it's not. It's so much more. First of all, I start off by making my bread nice and golden, and I toast it in the same skillet that I'm going to use to saute my mushrooms. Next, we're gonna saute the mushrooms and we're gonna add shallots, a little balsamic vinegar, then we're gonna add some cannellini beans, and then we're ready to just kind of like pile it on top of a little ricotta. You'll see. Let's get started. Love this recipe, really easy to put together. And like I mentioned, you can make it for lunch, you can make it as a snack, you can even make it for dinner with like a little green salad on the side. So first thing first, I wanna add a little oil to the pan, and this is a pan that I used to toast the bread, and I'm gonna use it now to saute my mushrooms. So I've got some sliced mushrooms. You can use baby bella, you can use some white button mushrooms, whatever you wish. And we're just gonna saute these mushrooms a little bit. After I saute them, I'm gonna add another type of mushroom, and this is a beach mushroom, and these are like these tiny little skinny mushrooms, and they taste like chicken. They're so good. Love these, but obviously they're a lot smaller, so I'll add these at the end. So as I saute these, we'll start adding some ingredients. I'm gonna add a little more oil, because when I add my shallots, they're gonna burn and crisp right away if there's not enough fat in the pan. So, mushrooms are cooking in the pan. I've got some sliced shallots right here. And if you don't have shallots and you wanna use red onions, you can, or white onions, whatever you have. I just happen to love the taste of the shallots. Yummy. All right, these are sauteing rather quickly, which is great. I'm gonna add a little pinch of red pepper flakes. And this is not gonna make it too spicy, but it's gonna add flavor. You know that if it's a Chef Patty recipe, it is gonna be loaded with flavor. All right, red pepper flakes are in. Let me lower this more. Now we're gonna add our acid. I'm going with some balsamic vinegar. And you could add lemon if you wanted to, or lime, any kind of acid, another type of vinegar. But I'm going with the balsamic because we're adding white beans. And I love the combination of the beans with the balsamic and the mushrooms. Okay. The white beans are going in, and I am using cannellini beans. Cannellini beans are a white kidney bean, and they're very creamy. Boy, that balsamic vinegar just went straight in. Okay, beans are in. So while this is finishing cooking, we're just gonna quickly throw our little beach mushrooms in here, just like this. And you wanna pull them from the center right here. I'm just gonna sprinkle these in my pan. Oh, love these, and they're so lovely. And a quick little stir. This one I need to snap the end. Okay. Maybe give it a little more heat. You guys have to make this at home. This is such a great, filling, delicious recipe. You don't miss the meat at all. And it's, you know, I typically make this when I want something that's on the healthy side, but I'm really hungry. And I don't have a lot of time. I just want to put something together rather quickly. This is my go-to. All right, so definitely tons of flavor here with the mushrooms, the beans, the shallots, the balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna lower the heat. While this finishes up, I'm gonna show you what I do with my ricotta. So I'm gonna get some ricotta straight from the tub. And not a lot. I mean, I'm only gonna assemble one toast right now. So I've got a couple of tablespoons of ricotta cheese in my bowl. I think this is done. Move my mushrooms out of the way. Okay. Back to the ricotta. I've got the ricotta cheese. I need a lemon. I guess I don't have one here, but here, I just grabbed one. So we're gonna zest the lemon. And remember, whenever you're zesting citrus, you only want to get the outer layer. So once you see the pith, which is the white part in between the skin and the actual fruit, that's where you want to stop, because the pith is really bitter. But if you zest the outer layer of the citrus, it just adds a pop. Ooh, it smells so good. All right, so now I'm going to just cut open my lemon. So first you always zest. Don't ever try to zest a lemon that's already been cut open, because it's not gonna work. It's gonna be all wet and messy. So just a little lemon juice. Stir this. Now we are ready to assemble our toast. I've got my beautiful bread. I'm gonna spread a little bit of this ricotta mixture all over. This makes me happy. Yum. So much flavor. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot of ricotta, maybe a tablespoon, but there's lots of flavor because it's got the lemon zest and the lemon juice. And now we're gonna grab our mushroom and bean mixture. Beautiful. And you just want to like pile it on top of the bread. The more the merrier, right? Oh, yum. This is not like a crazy expensive meal. So good. These little beach mushrooms, if you can find them at your grocery store, grab them. All right, so I've got the bread on the toast. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some fresh chives. Oh, I wish my camera was closer. Can you guys see this? So I've got the mushrooms, the chives, and just because I'm feeling extra fancy, I've got some micro herbs that I am piling on top. And look at this. Tell me this is not a thing of beauty. Guys, you have to make this. Let us know if you love it. Send us a message. Remember that the recipe is gonna be on the AvMed Health Facebook page. And send us a message. Let us know if you love it. Ask us anything, and I will see you soon. Mwah. Ciao.